Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about Python dictionary. Let us see the contents. So first we'll talk about Python dictionary. What are the important points in the dictionary? How to access the values in the dictionary? How to update or add in the dictionary? And how to delete the values from the dictionary. So what is Python dictionary? A dictionary is a mutable and a container which can store any type of number of Python objects. So in the dictionary, we are able to store any number of Python objects. And the important thing is it is mutable. Mutable means we are able to change once it is created. So in Python, there are some mutable and immutable objects. Mutable means we are able to change. Immutable means we are not able to change. So dictionary is mutable, means we are able to change the values in the dictionary. Python dictionaries are also known as associative arrays or hash tables. So it can also be called as associative arrays or the hash tables. It consists of pairs of keys and their corresponding values. So dictionary is nothing but we are storing pair values. The one value is called as a key value and the other value is nothing but the corresponding key value. As you are able to see in the example, the general syntax of the dictionary is we are providing a name to the dictionary is equal to, and you are opening the curly braces and closing the curly braces. In between that, you are writing the key value pairs. That is A 215, B is 412, and C is 125. Let us learn this in detail. So each key is separated from its value by a colon. So there is a colon in between the key and a value pair. The items are separated by commas and the whole thing is enclosed in the curly braces. That's what we have seen. An empty dictionary without any item is written with just two clearly curly braces, like we are just opening and closing the curly brace. The values of a dictionary can be of any type, but the keys must be and mutable data types such as strings, numbers, or tuples. So you can put any values in the dictionary, but the keys should be of the type string, number, or tuples. So whatever we have seen, let us look at the example again. So we are having A is nothing but the key, 215 is nothing but the value, and these two values, key and a value, is separated by a colon. So you are able to see the colon in between. After that, there is a comma, means it will start with the next item in the dictionary. Similarly, we have created B colon 412. So B is the key, 412 is the value, and again comma C colon 125 means C is the key, 125 is the value, and all of these items are included within the opening and closing curly braces. So this creates a Python dictionary. How to access these values in the dictionary? To access the dictionary elements, we use the square brackets along with the key to obtain the value. For example, here again, we have taken a same example. So we have again creating a dictionary called as a student, which is containing the name as Sagar. Name is the key, Sagar is the value, age is 18, and class is BCA. Then we are using a print command in Python, followed by the dictionary name. Dictionary name is nothing but the stud. In square brackets, we are giving the key. So whenever you want to print the values, you are providing the key in the square brackets. So we have provided as name. So it is automatically going to print Sagar because name is the key which corresponds to a value called as Sagar. How to update or add in the dictionary? So we can update a dictionary by adding a new entry or item. that is a key value pair. So automatically, if you want to update, you have to update with the key value pair. Or if you want to modify an existing entry or delete an existing entry as shown in the example, let us see. Again, we have created the same, we are taking the same example. So how to update existing entry? So you are writing the name of the dictionary followed by the key. Firstly, the age was equal to 18, but what we can do over here, as age is 18, we are taking stood, then we are writing the key pair into it, and then we are changing it to 19. So automatically, once you are finished with this statement, your age will be having the value as 19. Similarly, how to add the entry? So you can add stood, then you can add a key pair into it as school, and you can write down some values into it. So like this, updation or addition of entries can be done in dictionaries. How to delete in the dictionary? So we can either remove or delete individual dictionary elements, or clear entire contents of a dictionary, or we can delete the whole dictionary also. So for that, you have to use the del statement. So again, an example is written. So here what we are doing is, firstly, we are deleting a particular entry. So for that, you are writing the delete command del followed by stood, that is the name of the dictionary, and in bracket you are writing the name, which is the key. So it will remove the entry with the key called as name. So it will delete this name Sagar from the dictionary. To remove all the values from the dictionary, you are using the clear statement. So clear is going to remove all the entries in the dictionary. And if you write del, that is delete, and the dictionary name, so it will delete the entire dictionary. So in this way, we are able to create the dictionaries, we are able to add the values, update the values in the dictionary, and we are able to delete the values from the dictionary. Hopefully you liked the video. Thank you.